But helado, that's... No, don't touch stuff, okay? Stand over here. I was just waiting, but if you can cash me out, that'd be great. Okay.
So on 652?
Yep.
Are these for free or not?
No, it's not free. They might be spicy, Chris. Mango. With chili powder. Those are a little bit spicy.
Is that your receipt?
No, that's okay. Thank you. And just a few minutes?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks for the wait. I already ordered, yeah.
Hey, ese pollo y vegetariano, ¿verdad?
Put it in our bag here. I don't think we smashed our gingerbread cookie or anything. If you asked for one of those, maybe I would have said yes, but next time, okay? We'll get something cool, like these. Those are good. That looks really good.
These are good too.
Okay, our order is up. Muchas gracias. Okay, here it is. Got 6 in here, little guys. They're there, they look really good. Should we eat them right now, hot? Okay, let's get outside. Where should we eat? At one of these tables? Not over here? Oh, I should get water. I guess the music goes on right here.
What's that?
That means 50% battery for my board. Okay, Chris, I'm gonna dig into this, and if it's really good, I might not be able to stop. Ooh, there's special lime. Yep, there's 6.
Open up the last one.
Here, hold it like this. Eat it over this if it spills. So you save some little bits. Tasty. Wow. What did she get? Is that panela? Panea. Yeah, ask them if they sell panea. You dropped all this chicken over here. All these pieces of chicken came out of yours. If you just want to eat chunks of chicken. Otherwise, you can put them on your next one. I put salsa on this one. I'm going to put a little bit more. Do you want some green salsa? The red salsa is usually hotter. Or I can try it. I put a lot on there. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know about the red one. Just gonna Good job eating with those carbs. Here, close it up on the hot dog. Hold it real tight. Oh, crunchy. That's pretty good. You know what'd be good? Avocado. I like the lime. You want more lime? Okay, you get one more. That's a perfect amount. Man, that was some good rooster. I know that ain't chicken, it's rooster. For sure. Good stuff. Isn't that a beautiful poster? It's in Spanish. I can read it, but I don't know what it says. Sábado 11 de December, so Saturday or Sunday? Probably Saturday. 11th of December. Lega de Artista Exclusiva. There's an artist exclusive. Omar Alfonso. Man, I could use some water. Okay, am I eating the last one?
Yeah.
Do I eat the last one? I had a feeling you only needed 2. Perfect. Hey Cruz, how about I give you one bite of the big bite of chicken? One more? Do you want one more bite of taco? No? What about chicken?
No.
Okay. Look at him go. Okay, you can't be that far away over here in this neighborhood. Okay? Okay, that's gross. That reminds me when we went to Ecuador and they drew faces on the fruit that looked weird, but they couldn't sell. Did I take your mask?
Three, I think. No.
Quick question, if you sold panea, the sugar, unrefined sugar, brown block, like brown sugar?
Luis. You can ask.
Oh, he knows?
Yeah.
Do you sell, question? Yeah, do you sell panea, the brick of like sugar, raw sugar?
Oh, we
Sugar
do not
cane?
have any panea at the moment, ma'am. So we are most of you guys here on
You have it every once in a while? Or
every once in a while. So I got here on Monday for sure though.
On Mondays?
Monday or Thursday, yeah.
Every week kind of? Or,
Yeah,
or
every
just
week, yeah.
Next, okay.
For sure.
Okay, cool, thanks. I wanted to check if they had panea, which they will have soon. Which will be delicious for our guayusa tea.
Yeah.